Welcome back everyone, Mudford here. Today I'm going to show you how I fixed the charging problem with my wife's iPhone 5S. We plugged the charger in and it wouldn't charge, wouldn't show that it was charging, or sometimes it would actually show it was charging but it wouldn't. So the first thing I did, I saw this on a lot of the other videos and a lot of tips. People would say to get something. I used just the end of a toothpick here. I cut the end off and flattened it down a little bit. What I did was I just got in here into the charging port there. Just kind of dug around a little bit. Got some lint, and I think the first time I did it, it came out. Some chunks of stuff came out. I went ahead and tried it on the charger, still wouldn't charge. So what I did next was I dipped the toothpick in the rubbing alcohol. I did that a few times and it came out just with the end of the toothpick was like black. You can see I got it pretty clean now. And tried charging it again and it still wouldn't charge. What I did next was I got a electronics duster spray and I sprayed it in. Sprayed it in there pretty good. Still nothing. And what I finally did was, don't think this is recommended. I turned the can, tipped it up sideways, and sprayed it until the liquid came out like that, and it kind of froze everything. You could see the frost. Let that set for a second, and then tip the can back upright. And blew the charging port all out, dried it out, and then it started working. And it would charge maybe once or twice, and then it would quit charging again. So every time when it wouldn't charge, I would just hold the can sideways until it actually had just a little bit of liquid and frost on it. Sprayed it out, and then sprayed it out again and dried it out, and then now it charges every time again. Much to my wife's disappointment, the phone is charging all the time now and she doesn't get to get a new phone. So if you're in the same situation where the phone isn't working at all and you don't have much to lose, go ahead and try that once you've tried the first few steps. Try the air can and see if it helps you like it helped me. I'm not making any guarantees, but give it a try. And if it does, give this video a thumbs up.